Hello, hello, hello. Today I am showcasing a few of my different coin ring options. So if you're in the market for a coin ring, you're looking for something specific, there's a good chance I can show you what it looks like or lead you in the right direction. If you have any questions while I show these off, feel free to put them in the chat. Right now we've got a Morgan dollar and a 90% silver state quarter coin ring here. This one is Iowa. Work on focus a little bit here. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. And here's the Morgan. This one's from 1901. So I work on dimes, quarters, half dollars, quarters, lots of different types of coins. This one right here is a half dollar from 1968. If you want to check out my shop, tap the little gold link at the bottom of the screen. And if you have any questions, put them in the chat. Try and line this up a little better here. And I can do these head side out or tail side out. So I just showed you a half dollar that's got the head side out. That's the side with the date on it. This is an example of a half dollar that's tail side out. It looks pretty good both ways. And if there's anybody out there who's got like really big fingers, has a hard time finding rings, you're like size 15, 16, 17, maybe even up to 18, I can work with you as well. I've got quite a few 1 ounce silver round rings that I can make very large. And this is an example of one of them. This is a Medusa. It's got a bunch of snakes and kind of a Roman design around the edge. This is a fine silver 1 ounce round. And I can make these pretty dang big. So if you need like a size 17 or something like that, I can work with you. All these examples up here are 90% silver or fine silver so far. Let me show you an example of a copper round coin ring. So this particular design is really cool. This is the Aztec design. I've got these in 1/4 ounce, half ounce, and 1 ounce in fine silver and 1 ounce in copper. They look super cool. Really, really intricate design on this one. Again, if you want to check these out, tap the little chain at the bottom of the screen. That'll take you to my shop. You can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. And if you have any questions, let me know. Here's another example of a really cool 1 ounce silver round coin ring. This one is a Memento Mori, which is a reminder of your mortality. One day you will die. So, kind of live to the fullest motto. Really cool ring. But yeah, check these out. Tap the little shopping cart or the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. That'll take you to my shop. You can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. And if I get an order on this live, I'll stop what I'm doing and make it for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This right here is a American Silver Eagle. Just awesome detail all over this thing. It is a thicker band, but if that's what you're in the market for, it will definitely get attention. This is a cool freaking ring right here. We've got these available in a variety of years as well. Pretty cool. This next one I'm going to show you is a 90% silver state quarter coin ring. This is one of the more popular ones I get orders for. It's like California, New York, and this state. This one is Texas. It's got this really cool rope design all the way around the band. 2004 on the back. Pretty handsome little coin ring. I've got these state quarters available in all 50 states. So if you're looking for a specific state, I can do that. I've got them in copper clad and 90% silver. If you want to check out the shop, there should be a little gold chain down here. You can tap on that or visit buycoinrings.com. Use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to keep showing you some cool coin rings. Now this next one is over 100 years old. This is a 1922 peace dollar. This piece on the inside there. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we can show off here. If anybody has any questions about coin rings, you're looking for something specific, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. These are all made from real coins by hand. If you want to check out the shop, tap the little gold chain. This next one's pretty cool. It's a commemorative coin. Any coins from Iceland? Almost everything I work on is from the United States, just for legal purposes. Different countries have different laws around what you can do with their coins, and at least with the United States, I know I'm safe. I'm not going to get in any trouble. This is a 90% silver half dollar from 1982, commemorating the 250th anniversary of George Washington. If anybody really likes George Washington, this might be right up your alley. It's pretty cool. So most of the US's silver coins are 90% silver, but I do work on a couple fine silver rounds as well. And this next one is an example of that. This is a Intus Indian head half-ounce silver round that I made into a ring. I think it looks incredible. Really, really good looking ring. And all the details on the inside are Intus as well. Really pretty. Filling up the frame here. Got a lot of rings. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you're looking for something specific, let me know. If you want to check out the shop, you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. Just tap the little gold chain at the bottom of the screen, find the coin ring that's right for you, and if I get any orders on this live, I'll stop what I'm doing and make it for you. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're looking for a specific year, type of coin, I can help you narrow it down.
Enter frontier.